I didn't realize it was in the mirror. But you see how long that hair? She says, oh, my hair is down to my butt, because every time she has to sit, she sits on it, and that becomes uncomfortable. But really, I just showed her that her hair is past her butt, coming back up here to the front, okay? So, the last cut we gave her, I think I went, let me see. You probably would have been like this short. Okay, here. And this is how much it grew up. And it's probably hard to see on the black cape, but it's a lot of hair. There's some bundles right here, right?
It's virgin hair.
Virgin hair. Okay, Blessy is Filipino. So, I'm going to show you how hair is not the boss to me. I'm the boss of hair. Turn around this way, Blessy. So, we're going to bend forward. Let me show you. Okay, I bring all her hair forward. And we have to stand for this because her hair is so long and I'm so short. Okay. So we have to stand for this right here. Stopping. I don't know where it stopped. I'm resuming now because I don't know why it keeps stopping. But I'm bringing all her hair forward. Because I'm going to do long layers. And the back of her head, sorry, is going to be where it's going to be the longest. And the front is going to be the shortest of the haircut. So I want to overextend all that hair to the front. Then I secure it with an elastic band, just to keep everything right where I need it to be. Let me find her guide. This is still longer than the guide, but I'm just going to have to print one. See, all you're probably going to want to cry now. You say, oh, she's going to be cutting off all that hair. Because to you, it looks as though it's going to be a lot of hair coming off, but I'll show you this little trick, and you're going to get really excited. You like my new glasses? Handmade in Trinidad. Handmade. Okay? Yeah, so I think that's going to be my spot right there. And I'm just going to cut just right straight across. Okay? This is Miss Blessy's hair right here. Let's see. Kind of had a little slant, so let me clean that up. Okay, so now I take this off, and this is the magic. Turn around, Miss Blessy. This is the magic. So she still has her length, which I'll go in there and I'll clean that up. And she automatically turns sideways, wind it up with layers. It's probably hard for you to see, but she has layers in there. So this up here became the shortest part. Okay, see that? Can you see? This part is shorter and it gets longer. All right. Like I said, I don't charge for the time, the hours, the minutes, or the seconds that you sit in my chair. I charge for the skills, the talent, the experience, and the expertise that I bring to the time that you're sitting in my chair. In this case, Blessy's standing. Okay. But she's still in my space, okay? So I'm just going to go in here. Are we going to clean this up? Of course, if she wanted shorter layers, I would have cut it even shorter. But we want long layers. And I am point cutting so as not to give a blunt finish. I'm point cutting into the hair. Am I blocking you guys? So you see that? That's how you create some long layers quickly. Let me see. I don't know who else is on there. I know I blocked you guys out. Oh, thank you, Lonnie. You like my glasses? Yes, Michelle. Skills, talent, and expertise. Boom. Yes. That's it. Because, you know, some people just assume that I probably should be super cuts. But I ain't super cuts. I'm a super cutter. All right. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to go in here and add some texture. I'm going to go in and add some texture just by point cutting up into the hair. This reminds me of when I left Trinidad in, I think, 1970 to move to New York. And I didn't go home for like 2 years. And when I did go home, I went to visit. I was just going for Carnival. But when I got there, my parents had 2 books. Both of them independently had 2 books, 2 ledgers with people's names. of who wanted to get their hair cut. They said they knew I didn't come home for Christmas, so I definitely was going to come for Carnival. And I'm talking like I used to have all the who's who on my list of clients. Okay, everybody. Politicians, judges, lawyers, models, entertainers. Everybody's on the who is who list of my clients. I get back home to Trinidad on the Thursday night. I see this long list. Okay, my parents, both of them have independent books, like I said. And I'm like, oh, you know what? I'll probably just stay here for a little bit. So I got in Thursday night, and Saturday morning I was at the beauty supply shop buying one of each thing that I needed to work in the salon. Like one shampoo bowl, one shampoo chair, one styling chair, one station, one dryer chair. That was Saturday. And the weekend, my dad had some of the soldiers, because my dad was in the military at the time. He had the soldiers to come and do the plumbing and electrical to open up my shop, because I took a space that was right. My parents had a restaurant, so they gave me like part of the building to do my salon. So they worked Sunday and Monday. Tuesday morning the salon is open, and I'm in the front page of the newspaper. And I wound up staying home for 5 years. But I was saying again. Yeah, all the men had like these big grown-out afros. I'm like, well, why you didn't get a haircut? And they're like, we could not trust anybody to cut our hair the way you cut it. So they just walk around with a big bush on their head for 2 years. Right? Some of them even had grown out a beard because they didn't trust anybody to cut it. So I was saying that because like Blessy will wait. Literally waited like 18 months for the stars to align. New Concepts is a franchise hair replacement business, and I am also a master trainer with the company. We have 5 new franchisees that are coming on board. So we have a boot camp that's going to be going on this weekend, and since I'm a master trainer, I got to train the people. So that's going to be like 3 days. And it's a lot to cram in 3 days. That's why it's like a boot camp. But these people are getting ready to open up their locations soon. I'm just giving her a little concave, around the hairline. Lonnie, I know you're loving this hair. I know you're a creature for long hair. Everything's done, my dear friend. Awesome. Okay. It's done again.
So good.
Who came on here? Hi, Ella. Hi, Lou. Who's this? Luann. Suzanne. Fire Vibes. Thomas Sewell. Lonnie. Cheryl. Cheryl, I don't know if I could bring you on. I don't know if you're on right now. Cheryl is another hairstylist. I could bring you on. Let me see. Cheryl. I don't know if she's still there. She probably went off because I'm pausing so much. Hey, Tony. Hi, Nakia. Michelle, you still watching? Let me bring you on here. You're one of my old clients. Let me bring you on. Let me add you. Who's here that I can add? Noni Farrell. I could add Cheryl. Let me add her. She's there.